You get down with the Oye all day, every day, man.
All day, that's how we do.
How y'all doing? They made me set it off today, so I'm just gonna have to do this the right way. You hear me?
They holding it down for Mahogany B out there on the West Coast, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Feel this beat real quick.
Crazy on this one.
Look.
They say my swag make my pants drag low to the floor. Hit skirt, boom, boom, ready to go. I'm a professional. What you heard about me? I done used done it song. Don't worry about me.
They're holding it down,
Mahogany.
Yeah. What you got for me? More drama and pain. The second coming, I can feel it in my veins. I can feel it in my bones. When you got it, come.
That's the meaning of an artist, when a crowd can feel your feelings and your emotions, because I was feeling it.
Why you leave your girl still struggling, stranded? I'm not good, she's dead from feeling abandoned. Plus, this ain't the way we planned it. I was supposed to buy your house before you let me, damn it.
Y'all making us feeling it.
Trying to make me cry on camera and all that.
I'm kind of mad right now. You made me mad because like how you set the performance and then you were getting into it. The line that stuck out to me, it was like, you know, you were supposed to get the crib and you had me mad. I was about to like, you know, catch a tear or something.
Y'all not ready for all that we got for y'all. See, Mahog is the kickoff. Please understand that Mahog is a kickoff.
Yo, what they say? Look, the kick is up and it's good. Yo.
Steady, you and me, rocking along to the beat. Maybe in a different time or maybe a different place. She make more history that won't be erased. Sherry and Moore. This is my girl, Sherry and Moore. You heard her on that album, but y'all don't have no idea. Sherry and Moore gets it in, and I ain't gonna say nothing else. I'm gonna let her show your kid. Don't you know I don't need no apologies, no. I'm not looking for no sympathies. See, all I'm asking for is for your honesty. Won't you give it to me? Give it to me. No more. They gotta pay. Y'all gotta pay for the rest. Y'all gotta pay for the rest. Yes, man. That's the secret right there. It's my life, y'all.
Y'all give it up one more time for Mahogany.